you said something very interesting then, that for you, it's purpose, which suggests that, yes, money is an interesting thing and we all have, medium and long-term goals and I guess for you, aspirations for family and so forth. But as well as the money, it's about purpose. So yeah, I mean, purpose, did you say that specifically? Is that what you meant, right? You got to have a meaning to what you're doing.
Correct. It's like, I think maybe when you're mentioning, right, could be a generational thing as well. I mean, maybe social media, how everything is being publicized and all that, people get more information and you really get access to all sorts of different types of industries or things that people are doing. And it's like, okay, if your job, you're just doing, let's say you're selling something and you make profit for the company and that's your only goal, it's like, okay, nothing much over there. But for example, like purpose could be in a sense that, you're selling something and you are maybe contributing to like what you mentioned just now, sustainability, and you're like saving the world, reducing carbon emissions. Maybe that has just been something that came about more in the recent years, I feel, whereby people actually realize that, hey, maybe these are some things that could sort of solidify my presence at work.